maliit lang yung
Barangay
parking nila
today.
Bilang tawag ka na lang pag gano'n na ha.
Okay.
Ikutan ko na lang kayo. Wala problema.
Appointment.
Pero kung may kita natin na mayroong pasok na. Yung mga ambulance kasi sila dyan na sila lang naka-accommodate dyan. Oo.
Close pa yung SM. We are too early.
Hindi ako ng mga bahay na binibinta doon na ang mamahal din.
About the
Sinabi mo
houses.
sa dati. Tanong-tanong ako doon sa...
He's asking about the houses there in their place and it's
mayroon pero
expensive.
malabo din yung mga papel.
And then the papers are questionable.
Oh, seated have worked.
Istorya ng
Umaalog guys kasi nagbiyahe tayo.
Yan yung fire nila truck ko na doon naka-parking. Sa kanila yan Barangay yan.
For me,
We go home na. Thank you so much.
Pampanga naman.
because it's the same, perhaps in 2 or 3 years I need to go here to public notary. So we will need you also, as long as you keep driving.
Daming zombie dito guys.
Yung lapit na yung pundo na
Ngayon wala na. Super aga yung sila. Even the SM is not open yet. Muna mo! Thank you Lord Mama Mary, Angels and Saints.
And they are selling the condo already for 3.5 million.
Yeah.
I mean, look, yesterday we found in Tower 1 the same condo for 2.3 million. And where we live in now, they sell the condo for 5.5 million. What? They do
We're here na
expensive.
guys. Ikot-ikot lang tayo. Malapit lang but we need to ikot-ikot. Bossing!
Tower 4. Tower 4.
Ay!
He knows our faces. So yun na, hinugasan ko na yung Shiratakirs. Tapos 1:1 lang yan. 1.5 cup. So nilagyan natin ng 1.5 cup. Tapos pwede mo rin siyang ganito, rice cooker. Pwede dyan. Pwede rin mag-boil ng water. Tapos takpan mo lang siya ng 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, pwede mo na siyang kainin. But this time, lagay ko siya sa rice cooker. Good morning! Ito yung ano natin guys. Shrimps. Nilagyan ko lang ng ito. Yung black pepper sa atin. Bago natin i-fry ng siguro mga 3 minutes both sides. Request ni Habi. Pagbigyan natin ulit. Minsan lang yan mag-request. Guys, nilagyan natin ng olive oil. Mabilis lang to. Kasi makunat din yan pag tagalin natin. Yan, slowly. Pag mag-pink yan, water na yan. konti lang kasi dalawa lang kami dito. Lagay muna natin dito pansamantala. Para hindi maging gamit. Ayan guys. Lagay na natin lahat. Bell pepper, onion, garlic. Ang bango, in fairness. Next, ang ating spinach. Gustong gusto to ni Habi. Kaya lang, minsan lang din kami ganito. Para hindi naman maumay. Iba-iba gulay everyday. Check natin. Ang bango talaga ng spinach. Simpleng food lang ng pobre. Sa amin na mga pobre. Simply but nutritious sa katawan. Yan na natin ng bell pepper. Cumin. Okay lang. Konti lang din sesame oil. Parsley. Di pa pala ito bukas. Ubos na kasi yung isa. Ang ating minced garlic. Ang bango. Tapos, lagay na natin ito. Yung sinat aside natin. Plus, lemon. Kung gusto ko ni Habi guys, gusto ng lemon din. Refreshing. sauce, sabaw. Yan. Parati kaming may sauce or sabaw. Konti lang. Ayan guys, kumulo na. Hinaan lang natin. And then, ready to serve. Ihirit ako guys. Lagyan ko pa ng wings. Bowl. Tinikman ko na to. Okay na to. Mahilig lang ako sa garlic. Ayan. Guys, dali na natin sa taas. Pati ang ating rice. Thank you. Yum yum. Good morning. Let's eat guys with our shrimps with spinach, with shirataki rice, with cucumber. Request ni Habi. Mine. To. Later I will prepare myself. And then he will put ketchup in it. I
Perfect.
hope.
I hope too that there is not too much pepper on it.
I hope the verdict is good, boss.
Yeah.
Thank you, Lord.
We will
Smaklek.
stop talking and eat now.
Smaklek. Bon appetit.
Bon
Dada.
appetit. Dada for now.
Dada. For señorita later, together with our smoothie, homemade smoothie. Yay, yay. Smoothie. And the nuts. Homemade smoothie with chia. Pa-soft muna natin bago kainin. Salamat.